Billy! Hey, girl! All in the snow, all playing. Billy, stop! What are you investigating? What are you investigating? Billy! Stop doing that to your leash. Stop! I guess you're walking me, huh? This is your chain of oppression. Billy, what are you looking at? Like one of our neighbors? Stop. I'm being nosy. But serious. Like, what are you doing in my neighborhood? Huh? What's going on over there? What's going on over there? Huh? Billy! Billy! No! Stop! I'm not going down there. Staying in the snow. Let me on the phone, please. Come on, Billy. Billy! Bill Pops! She's looking at somebody else walking. Hey, girl! My doggy! Seriousness of Alaskan Malamute in her natural snow habitat. She's like, I own this now. This is all my snow. And she tries.